The people believe in us because if it is about infrastructure, if it is about healthcare facilities, if it is about schools, if it's about roads, our track record towers above that of anyone. We have no reason to falsely lay claim to projects initiated by another government and even forge non-existent ones. Ghanaians believe us because there's evidence of what we can do and what we do with the revenues and loans we contract. The people believe us when we say we are Democrats because we are. We do not taunt those who disagree with us because we cherish freedom of speech. We believe the true test of leadership is to eschew arrogance. We do not set out to collapse businesses of those who do not belong to our party. We are a party of fair-minded people. We believe in equal opportunity, and so we give every Ghanaian his or her due. We believe in adding to what we inherit. We do not destroy what others have toiled to create so that anyone will reap where they have not sown. What we have experienced in this country over the last couple of years does not augur well for our country. Nepotism, cronyism, masquerading as business is not good for us. Ghana should not endure more of that. Over the next 3 months, we will carry our message of progress and inclusion to every corner of our country. We look forward eagerly to contrast our vision for the next 4 years and beyond with any other contestants. This election is going to be about trust. It's going to be about judgment and vision. John Mahama showed all three in the first major decision he made as part of his governance plan for 2021 and beyond. That is His Excellency Mahama's vision for progress. And that is the vision I joined this ticket to help him to realize. I trust and I believe in this vision. I have seen close up his thoughtfulness and the great value he places on introspection. We share a belief that growth, personal or otherwise, always means change. The President Mahama I know always seeks wisdom in the words even of his critics. He is interested in the views of everyone, especially the so-called common person. Always his abiding questions include, how does this suggestion help the poor, the vulnerable? How does this intervention improve lives? Such concerns resonate well with mine and no doubt with those of many others who also believe that voting is an expression of hope, of trust, of judgment, of faith. The power to extend must be returned in ways that uphold the dignity of human life. That improves the trust of the citizenry in institutions that are expected to be fair, transparent, and protective. That is the character of the man, and that is why I am proud to be his partner in this vision for jobs, prosperity, and more. That is the NDC, we are a party for everyone. The farmer, the fisherman, the educated, the non-educated, the teacher, the nurse, the vulnerable, the market trader, the hawker, everyone is welcome. We welcome everyone regardless of status or background. And we invite you all to join us in building a prosperous country in peace and togetherness for the benefit of all Ghanaians. What we will not accept is the premise that Ghana belongs to some elite few who arrogate to themselves the right to determine among themselves how to share our precious resources. Let there be no doubt that this country, our beloved country called Ghana, belongs to all of us, including generations unborn. Let our actions bear witness to that. And those who receive the high privilege of being elected to serve must jealously hold and guard the sacred trust of the people. This we pledge to do. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, please come join us. Let's spread the good news of the People's Manifesto. And on December 7th, join us again in reminding those who may have chosen to forget the truth that the people are the real owners of this country. Thank you very much for your attention.
$79,000 only to buy you a studio apartment in Accra. Why not come to Wadi for a spacious 2-bedroom apartment at Alpha?
I don't see it. 98.9. I don't see it. I don't see it. 98.9. I don't see it. I don't see it. 98.9. I don't see it. I don't see it. 98.9. I don't see it. I don't see it. 98.9. I don't see it. I don't see it. 98.9. I don't see it. I don't see it. 98.9. I don't see it. I don't see it. 98.9. I don't see it. I don't see it. 98.9. I don't see it. I don't see it. 98.9. I don't see it. I don't see it. 98.9.
The fund will be accessible to all people who live within Zongos and deprived urban communities.
I don't see it. I don't see it. 98.9.
Things to do with sports, or as the sports fraternity will not forgive us. We'll establish a sports development fund, and we'll develop a comprehensive national sports policy to outline the vision and strategies for sports development in Ghana. We'll revive and invest in inter-school and colleges games in order to develop talent. For companies that invest in sports,
in the Ashanti region, and Ramadi Tujama must say, in a week or two, a new station will join our growing list of affiliate radio stations here in Ghana. Inti Adansia FM, ewo Asante Achem Agogo. Adansia FM frequency near 98.9 ewa Asante Achem Agogo. Adansia FM will be picking our show live in that part of the country. Munshan and so MIA. Still in the Ashanti region, and Ramadi Tujama must say, in a week or two, a new station will join our growing list of affiliate radio stations here in Ghana. Inti Adansia FM, ewo Asante Achem Agogo. Adansia FM frequency near 98.9 ewa Asante Achem Agogo. Adansia FM will be picking.
And we will decentralize the services of the appeals courts by providing facilities for the appeals court in the Western, Northern, and Volta regions. We will pay assemblymen, members